What? What is up? This is a morning stream in Phuket, in the co-working space. Before anyone comes, we rise early, rise and grind. Oh, we almost at 260 subs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What did I call it? Morning co-working Thailand. Probably should have said in Thailand, but it's okay. I think a pop-up might come up, which will be annoying. I hope that's not laggy. I'll have to check. Dude, people were reposting my video, my TikToks on Instagram. Thought that was so cool. Is it not live yet? Apparently it's not even live. Oh, here. Okay, now we live. We have sound. Nice, there's no lag. I don't know if there's sound though. No sound. Oh, it's probably muted. Here. No, it's not. The fuck? Why that shit muted? Yo. Ain't muted. The fuck? Oh, I know. I muted it last time. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Dude, the aircon, you can hear it so loud. Or is it? Dude, the aircon. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Let me turn it off. if that was any better. There's like a fridge sound. I don't know if that was any better. Oh yeah, the sound. My voice is alright. What are the best beginner projects if I want to learn software engineering? I'd say the best thing is something that you want to do, so it motivates you. The subject, yeah, it could be anything. But I think if you actually like what you're building, you'll probably spend more time on it and learn better. Okay. So, actually let me keep this open here. And then I'm trying to do like everything with shortcuts now. Yeah, okay, that was incognito. Yeah. And then bam. And then bam. This company BrightData reached out to me. So I told them I'd check out their platform, which is all about web scraping. They were kind enough to give me a premium account, so I'm gonna check that out. I think web scraping is a very useful tool for a lot of people. And as a dev, you kind of get a lot of requests for solutions that require some kind of data gathering from the internet, especially with AI expanding. A tool like BrightData, or a web scraping tool. What was I saying? Oh yeah, AI. So if more and more people are going to be making AI and integrating it into their systems and fine-tuning AI and training them, they normally require a lot of data to make it really good. The best way to do that is getting it off the internet. And the best way to do that, obviously, is web scraping. So I had a little chat with Noah from BrightData, and he told me one thing that they do amongst the competitors is kind of get around the bot blocking stuff that some platforms have. They have thousands of computers distributed through VPNs and whatnot to kind of get around that stuff. He explained it way better than I just did, but might say it here. Proxies and scraping infrastructure. Avoid restrictions and blocks using the fastest, most stable proxy network. With static and rotating IPs in 195 countries. And they have this offering about data sets, which I didn't understand too well, but data sets is exactly what an AI or any data science person needs. Big data. So maybe they have a bunch of data sets they can offer. I'm not sure exactly how this works. We could have a look later. We're going to go through all of this. This is their welcome screen. It shows you their two main offerings right here. Looks like you can go into them, and you can also talk with an expert, which is great. At this stage, I don't really have a goal of what I want to build, but I just thought I'd get familiar with the tool before I go in. Oh, that noise stopped. That's pretty cool. So we got some buttons here as well. The home button, which we're on, an I button, which takes you to their zones. I'm not sure what that is. proxies and scraping infra and the data sets. Okay, so there are two. I assume maybe these two buttons lead to the same place. Oh no. Oh yeah, that all says data sets. Okay. Looks like this and the top button lead to the same link. Interesting. Billing settings. Okay. Let's have a look at these data sets. I want to learn more about those. Okay, getting started with data sets. They have a marketplace. Okay, so they do have, that's pretty cool. Can we have a look? LinkedIn profiles. Damn, I'm probably in that data set. TikTok profiles. Wow. Walmart products. That's pretty cool. LinkedIn profiles might be useful for a lot of businesses. Imagine opening this and seeing your name. That's the first one. You're like, damn. I don't know, it could be a good thing for you if you're trying to get your name out there. I mean, it's public on LinkedIn anyway, so I'm sure you're at least somewhat aware. What else do they have? Social media. TikTok one seems interesting. 111 million records in their TikTok profiles database. Damn. Complete with top videos, music, hashtag. Okay. This is giving me some ideas, because I think if I can use this web scraper to automate my essentially social media management, for lack of a better phrase. For instance, like I've been looking at ways to automatically provide timestamps in the YouTube descriptions, which I had a video on. Oh, I got some messages on TikTok. By Violent, yo, what's up? So you're building a web scraping tool to build your own AI model, or just looking to see what's out there? Yeah, I'm just testing and investigating this tool, BrightData, at the moment. And one of the examples I gave why you would want a data set, is to train an AI model. But I don't think that's what I'll end up doing. It was just an example. But thanks for the comment, Violent. I think I remember you, but you had a different display picture. So I had this note in my to-do. Here, this one. Automate creation workflow from Stream to Premiere, TikTok, Facebook. Okay, so this step, I think. No, also I wanted to find a way to plug in my TikTok video to a transcription service. I don't know if that would be possible with this. All right, let's have a look at their scraping infrastructure. Wow, it looks like they have a bunch of offerings here. Scraping browser. Control an all-in-one browser that includes built-in unlocking capabilities along with proxies to unlock websites at scale without being blocked. Sweet. Web Unlocker does captcha and fingerprint management. Okay. Bunch of other proxies. It's Vixilent. Everyone makes that mistake. Okay, sorry, Vixilent. I know I noticed the X was there, but I guess my bad. I chose to ignore it. Or not pronounce it. Or think it was silent. I don't know. Alright, let's try the browser out. That seems like a pretty generic one, like a good starting one. Scraping browser. I'm gonna give myself likes till it gets to 100 and then start it. There we go, 100 likes. KD in the chat, yo, what's up? KD. Okay, so it costs 10 cents an hour or $20 a gigabyte for this scraping browser. They use Puppeteer and Playwright? Or is that not compatible? Okay, should we just get it started, or? Welcome to Access Parameters, where you'll find your proxy credentials. Oh, this is where you put like your user auth or something. That's a question I had, because some websites have like, one of the ways they prevent bots is by making sure. Sorry. One of the ways they prevent bots is by making sure. Why did that happen? Oh, because of this. I think we're good. Hello? Okay, we're good. Yo, we got 300 likes. What was I saying? Oh yeah, a lot of websites restrict, the way they restrict bots is making sure that you can only hit like certain endpoints and get certain data if you're logged in with the token. And they see how many like requests that token does. And they like, obviously if you do more than the agreed upon request count, they like ban you. But it seems like BrightData has some smart ways to get around that, which is very interesting. By using proxies. Interesting. So from my understanding, a proxy is like when something else or someone else does something on your behalf. Alright, I mean, I don't know exactly what I'm doing from here on in this UI, but we'll see if we can figure it out. Okay, so I got a scraping browser active. Okay. Docs. Alright, this requires some more research, but I just wanted to have a look today at least. Just get a quick overview of what's available on BrightData. But yeah, Vixelent says, you're doing a new thing each time I join your live. How do you set your goals for the day? I use Notion for all my like goals and tasks, or find new things to research. New things come to me, luckily. Like I've set up my social presence in a way that I like to talk about AI, new AI. So when there's a new AI, someone usually like wants to talk about it with me or get me to try it out. So that's been really fortunate. Other ways is like obviously TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube. They're all great resources if you tune your algorithm or subscribe to the right things. Yeah, thanks for asking the questions, Vix. Is Vix okay? I feel like that's a nice nickname. Oh, I was gonna go to the surf house at 9:30. Okay, still have almost an hour. I wanted to check out this app, Edit Better. Someone on TikTok actually reached out and said they were doing like something that I had a video on, like, cause I'm trying to automate my process of taking like streams into clips, and someone commented that like this will do it. Oh, you gotta, can you beta access code? I don't think homie gave me a beta access code though. This is him. If you'd like to try it, we're online here. I was like, yeah, sick. This is something I want to use, but this is really sus. They make me type a password. Y'all gotta have Google Auth. Damn. Alright, what about this? Someone else also reached out. Deep Brain. What this guy say? Actually, here's a random question. What's your troubleshooting methods to connect to an API? Obviously, first you try, and then you see what the error is. Hopefully you get like a meaningful response. If it's like a 500 error, like 502, that normally means there's some issue on the server side, like it ran into an error on the server code. But if it's like a 400 number or 300 number, it's probably something on your end. I'm so stuck, I'm about to call the company. Oh shit. What's the issue you have, Vix? So Virtual Human reached out to me about an affiliate program with deepbrain.io. Let's check it out. Instantly create AI videos using basic text. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. But I don't know if I want an affiliate link with them. What was it? It's not really something. Up to 30% commission. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. But it's not like, okay, one of the issues I have, it's not like completely aligned with my audience of software devs. Not really content creators, unfortunately. Okay. What's next? What's next? Oh yes. Someone asked about the usage limits for OpenAI's API, and I did go into it on last stream, but I wasn't talking on last stream, so I'll do a narrated version here. So it says you have, once you like enter your billing of information, you have a usage limit of $120 per month, which is set by them. You can increase it by sending a request, but I don't know if you can decrease it, which is interesting, right? Yeah. Okay. What else did we want to do? I think that was like pretty much it. Oh, window manager for Mac. I ended up using Rectangle, which is pretty nice, I think. Have anything else? I think that's it. That is it. How long was this stream? Doesn't say. 8:30. 23 minutes. Okay, nice short stream. I'll be continuing with BrightData, but got a good little intro there, so I'll catch you guys next stream. And now we spend 5 minutes trying to end the stream.